Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article number 2, don't discriminate. This means that every human being, regardless of their race, color, sex, language, religion, political opinion, nationality, social status, birth, or any other difference, must be treated equally and fairly. No one should be denied their rights simply because of who they are or what they believe in. In this article, it promotes equality and fairness. It ensures that all people are respected as human beings and are not treated as inferior or excluded from rights due to prejudice or bias. The purpose of Article 2, don't discriminate, is to promote equality among all people, prevent discrimination and unfair treatment, encourage unity and respect among nation and people, and last, ensure fairness in applying human rights laws.
Wa man nakauman og eskwela gud. Wa man nakagraduate bisag high school uy. Bisag diploma sa college wa guro na. Why grado? Discrimination sa mga wala nakahuman og eskwela. Diplomas don't define your future. And a college degree don't totally define us as a person, right? Here's the thing pa mga ward. Dapat yung kuyatag ninyo. Sometimes, a school system is a trap. Here's the thing why. Sa una, mao niya itong cellphone. Karon mauna ni ron. Sa una, mao niya itong mga sakyanan. Karon mauna ni ron. Sa una, mao niya itong mga buildings. Karon mauna ni ron. Pero sa una, nga mao niya itong classroom, nga nung mao pa man gihapon ni ron. Di na ko na dapat i-explain diya further kay basig na ako yung mga tumban or unsa akong mabangga. But nakita niyo ang school system, guys. Siguro na improvement pero like gamay lang guro. School system is different sa education system. Stop discriminating people nga wala na kauman og eskwela. Because life isn't all about those grades and diplomas. Di diha basihan ng kinabuhi sa pag-asenso. Do we need a degree to be successful? No. Unsay basihan sa kinabuhi? Diskarte. Some people are good at school while others are good at life.